আমাৰ এটা জাস্ট লাঞ্চ কৰি হৈছে ডবাই পেলাই মই ভাত খালো চাইনিজ ৰেষ্টুৰেণ্ট এখনত
মোৰ Chinese বহুত ভাল লাগে lot of people here lot of tourists here you can see people from all over the world comes over here especially the British they love to come over here because of the weather in UK is not so good but Canary Islands have beautiful weather throughout the year a lot of people over there they're swimming they're taking baths amazing and you can see a lot of restaurants over here people are eating enjoying themselves some music is going on what music you're playing music which Spanish
Spanish no
music
English
okay
देखले ना ভাল লাগিছে না আৰু কমেন্টস বোৰ কত Come on yaar pause di pela comment kora agot
takeru comment and tell us what more we can improve and what else we can do
ezba kisto sura gos yato ase bani polahok koisa ma khom ra gutia ni ya didle boli kyo no ya pata lani bona amar tapa ya lani se boli inni mane inni tani tuni connection
no ya kismane palm trees sab ase je it looks really beautiful and these are not the usual palm trees but they are the Canary palm trees and they're very special
sapor hoy kisto sura gos bla amar bla gan dama hoy na amar bla beshi dama inni to basti আমাৰ ঘৰ লাগি সবতে লাগি থাকে অসমতো ঘৰে ঘৰে থাকে ন
ইয়াতো আছে
ইয়া এক্স্যাক্টলি কিন্তু ফ্ৰান্সত দেখা নাই পা মই আইল্যান্ডতে দেখা পাইছো
we found the root of Assam with Canary Islands
এক্স্যাক্টলি
there is a root
north of Canary Islands south of নহয় কিন্তু south তো মৰুভূমি মই ফটো উঠাবলৈ ৰৈ আছো
কেলে হ'ব ফটো
এই বসলা কলো
আচ্ছা ৰাইজ দেখিছে নে মই ঘনে ঘনে ফটো উঠাব লাগে এতিয়া তেখেতে ইনস্পেকশন কৰিব ফটোখন মই ভাল তুলিলো নাই যদি মই তোলা নাই if I didn't get the correct photo she will ask me to do it again
ইকো দেৰবা নহয় মিছা কৈছে
and it happens all the time
মিছা কথা কৈছে দে মই তো নকৰো
তেনেকুৱাই হৈ থাকে
মিছা কথা কৈছে
নকব আৰু she would say click one photo but eventually I have to click around average of 6 to 7 photos
একো মিছা কথা কৈছে কেলে কি না মোক উল্টা পুল্টা কৰি দিয়ে এবাৰ কেমেৰা এনেকে থাকে এবাৰ এনেকে থাকে এবাৰ সেলফি উঠাই ল'ব এবাৰ কি কৰিব কি ঘৰটো আধা ওলাব এবাৰ মুটো আধা থাকিব অবে যেনেকৈ 6 হ'ব দে ন
Nothing like that. Sometimes over here it's very windy, you see. And over here, what happens is very windy. And my hand, you know, the wind blows up my hand, so it moves a bit. So, you know. So it's the wind who is the main culprit. It's the wind who is the culprit, huh? Not me. Yeah. Let's go and move ahead and let's discover Canary Island in Tenerife. Let's go.
Windsor. Someone is busy riding.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to our next destination. Let's go. Now we have reached Candelaria. Over here there is the Plaza de la Patrona de Canaris, which is a large square and it is next to a Roman Catholic church called Basilica of Candelaria. In this place there was an ancient beach where stood the old church of Virgin of Candelaria, and there was also a castle called Castillo de San Pedro, which was built in 1697. This castle was designed to defend the church from pirate attacks and looting, but the castle was destroyed in a devastating storm. However, in 1949, Basilica of Candelaria was constructed, and then this large square was created as a meeting place of pilgrims and to celebrate various festivals. Just next to this church, these are the statues of the 9 Guanche kings who ruled the kingdom of Tenerife. The Guanches were the first known inhabitants of the Canary Islands. They were the indigenous people until the Spanish conquered and defeated the Guanches in the 15th century.
Oh my god, what a view!
Force of the wind.
Seriously?
With the waves.
Oh my god!
I mean, man, it's like.
Luckily, yes! No, I figure
Oh, amazing. Okay, let's continue and let's go to our next stop. Let's go. So now in El Medano, check out this view. El Medano is a small resort on the southeast coast of Tenerife. It is really a town on the seafront that has turned itself into a resort. The town is clean and well kept and is very popular with windsurfers. In the back streets, you will find restaurants where you can enjoy your meals overlooking the sea, or tapas with a nice glass of wine. খোৱা হৈ গ'ল, ফুৰা হৈ গ'ল, এটা ভাল workout হৈ গ'ল. That's everything for today from Tenerife. We have enjoyed a lot. It's a beautiful island and you must once visit this place.
Yeah, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please do share with all your friends and family. And thank you so much till date for loving us so much.
Exactly. So till then, stay happy, keep smiling, and always follow traffic rules.
কেলে কলে জানে নে কারণ ইয়াত কোনো ধৰণৰ ট্ৰাফিক পুলিচ নাই ইমান বেছি সিস্টেমেটিক হয় সেইকাৰণে কোনো এক্সিডেন্টৰ সম্ভাৱনাই নাই সেইকাৰণে তেওঁ কলে
Always follow traffic rules. Okay.